Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we chopping up food and conversation, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, cause we about to get in it. Alright, today we will be preparing for you refried beans, a favorite of mine, Dr. Sebi style. Once again, all the items that we are using are Dr. Sebi approved on the nutritional guide until otherwise specified. So let's get into the recipe. Okay, the ingredients are 2 cups of black chickpeas, whole key lime, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Once again, all of these items are Dr. Sebi approved. Okay, we got 2 cups of chickpeas in the Vitamix ready to go. And you have the onion powder up in there. Then you have the coriander up in there. And cayenne pepper and the lime. We're gonna squeeze this lime up in there, kind of give it that Mexican style, because that's what it's really about, y'all. Having some tacos or some tostadas, you can't have it without your refried beans. You understand me? All right, and say it's about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil and the sea salt. Put that sea salt in there. Alrighty, and the water. Forgot about the water. Put that water up in there. There go that water. You add the water a little bit at a time. Just a little bit at a time. Just a little bit at a time. So got a little bit in there just to break it up, and then because you wanted to get it to that consistency of refried beans. Okay, let's see. We got enough in there. We got enough in there because it's gonna boil down when you start the process of cooking it. And once again, I forgot to say these are cooked chickpeas. Cooked chickpeas. Okay. That will do it. Okay, we have the refried beans all blended up real good, as you can see, nice and smooth. Got that smoothness that you're looking for. All right, we over here ready to refry the beans. First, we'll start by putting the burner on low to medium heat. Low to medium heat, because you want to cook them. You don't want to burn them. You just want to keep them and refry them to give it that refried taste when you refrying beans. Okay, we're going to start off with seed oil in the pan. About a couple of teaspoons of it, because you want it nice and greased, because you got to understand beans will stick if you cook them too fast. So we're going to turn the fire down to medium low. Start off low and then, work your way up if you want to cook it a little medium on, but I prefer to cook mine on medium or low heat. Okay, alrighty. So we got the refried beans all ready to go. We're gonna pull them bad boys up in there. Yeah, that's the sound you wanna hear when you're cooking your food. Sound you wanna hear. Get all that up out of there. All that up in there, all that in that pot. Yeah, in Chicago, we love us some Mexican food. So this is our spin on getting the Mexican food nice and healthy. Once again, Dr. Sebi style. Once again, you just refrying it. It's already pretty much cooked by the chickpeas being done already. Putting your ingredients in it already in the blender. So you just want to give it a look once over on the frying pan. Once over on the frying pan. And once again, this you can refry for about 3 to 4 minutes. It doesn't take long to do because, like I said, it's already prepared. You're just mixing it up, giving it that fried taste. Okay, we got the refried beans finished, done. All that's left, baby, you know it, the taste test. Ooh. Just like butter, baby. Just like butter. Make me want to slap on a sombrero or do the Macarena. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And once again, your health is your wealth. Stay tuned to the next video. And we out.